Friday tip of the week. This week I wanted to show you a very simple trick on how to make your own buttermilk. I mean, so many times I've been wanting to bake and then I look at the recipe and it asks for buttermilk, and of course I don't have it in the fridge. So I just googled the internet to find the easiest way to make your own, and I found two tricks. The first one is you mix 1 cup of milk with either a tablespoon of white wine vinegar or lemon juice. Then you just put it together and then you let it set for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you will see that it will start to curdle a little bit, and then you'll have the perfect buttermilk that you need for your recipe. And the other trick that I've done is do half milk and half yogurt, and it works great. So there you go. I hope it helps, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.